The World Cup is one of the most watched sporting events and it can be a great opportunity for selling shirts on Amazon. The two obvious niches are football, known as soccer in the US, and combining it with countries. Many are combining these two and selling a good amount of shirts. I would personally recommend against this as they are starting to be removed by Amazon and the accounts are likely being terminated. We can see this if we look at the recently deleted designs in Flying Research. Here we can see that a similar design was removed by Amazon 3 days ago. This one resembles a Mexico jersey. I would only sell soccer shirts or country shirts but not combine those two. Since it is approaching Christmas time, you can do Christmas soccer shirts. You can find phrases and search those to narrow down and find designs with less competition. Let's try this first result. Santa's favorite soccer player. Search the phrase using the merch research toolbar. 376 results. That's not too bad for a Christmas shirt. We can go back and search the results for soccer and find phrases to narrow down. Try to find a funny, unique, or clever phrase. Life's about goals and assists. Let's search the phrase for the shirts currently selling. 431 results. Not the best, but you get an idea on how to find these phrases in their competition. For any sport, think of the parents such as soccer mom and soccer dad. The coach, in this case soccer coach. And the player positions. Here I am searching soccer goalie shirt. To narrow down manually, check novelty clothing and check prime shipping. Here's a phrase, holy guacamole. Only 11 results. This phrase has potential. It has really low competition and with various designs selling, it shows that it can sell. Another niche likely to get a bump is the countries niche. Focus on the countries playing in the World Cup and make sure it's based around those countries. These are the results for Brazil. The easiest way to do country shirts is to use the flag in your design, or you can combine it with another country's flag. You can also use the shape of the country. You can also search low competition phrases that are specific to the country and that are in another language. These are the results for Croatia. Hrvatska can be one. Over 1,000 results. Let's try another one. This looks like it could be one. Pivo Molum. I'm not sure how to say it. Let's search the shirts. And we get 15 results. This is a good one. It seems to be a phrase in Croatian related to beer. Translate and research the phrases to understand and make better designs. If you know any popular sayings from your culture's language, try those as well. Staying away from combining football shirts with countries and teams is not ideal, but I only suggest it to avoid any account issues in the future. You can still be inspired by the World Cup, and these niches are still likely to get an increase in interest, search volume, and sales. Let me know if you are selling football or soccer shirts combined with any countries and if they are selling or if they got rejected. Thank you for watching.